Well, another day, another computer I found in the outside hut of all things. That was given it to me years ago for a project that never happened. Had all sorts in it. Caked with cigarette dust and that had bird shit in it and stuff as well. Don't know. Maybe it was in the hut. I don't know. But I think that there is a design flaw in these AMD processors. It's another Athlon X2 processor, and it was another dead one because they gave this thing a good cleaned up, stripped it down, cleaned the fan, cleaned the heatsink, new CPU in it, and it's alive. Now, it doesn't save any of its settings, but that's because Barry's probably well dead. It's been in that shed for about 12 years. Yeah. I think. Yeah, about that, 12 years. So, new one of these would probably solve that. Thing is, I don't have a clue what I'm going to do with it. It does actually work. The hard drive works as well. Won't activate it. Won't run, obviously. It needs. It says it needs activated or something like that. Yeah. I don't know what that is. Maybe before I got it, somebody was testing it or whatever, but yeah, it's working. It's got a fast processor in it, like I said, Athlon X2. I think it's a 2.8 gig or something. Has a parallel port as well, which may come in handy. There's no screws in it anywhere apart from that one, just holding the fan together. I'm assuming these cables are going to be for the alpha, the parallel port, sorry, alpha display thing, the fruit machines here. Parallel port. Solid capacitors, yeah. Looks like a good little project base. Anyways, that's all for this little video. What do you think? What should we do with it? Looks like the same type of computer that was in that vertical shooter that I made. And we've got a PCIe port there, so we could put a fast graphics card in it. What do you think? Should we do something interesting with it? Answers in the back of a postcard.